It is truly an honor tonight to be here. I am a proud member of the Perth Amboy School District, and I work with amazing educators, and it's a pleasure just to speak with you about this program. I was truly inspired after our last professional development with quantum learning, and I couldn't wait to come back to my classroom and implement the strategies that I learned. So I thought I would just tell you a story about one of my students recently. The foundation of quantum learning being using visual, auditory, and kinesthetic strategies for teaching. I came in and immediately told my students that. You know, did you know that we all learn differently? Some learn visually, some learn more auditorily, and some use their bodies, and sometimes we can use all three. We were teaching rounding to estimate sums and differences, which in third grade is a very, very difficult concept for any student, let alone a student that might be struggling. I have a particular student who has been struggling all year, and success for him is not usually in his vocabulary. So after the start of my lesson was teaching through music. I taught them this song, but we also used body movements to go with it so they could learn and then apply the strategies to round. And I watched him the whole week, and I could see him at the corner of my eye, even not during math, practicing this song and, you know, doing the movements. And this is a student that has literally zero focus and has just a difficult time being attentive to anything. When the Friday came for my assessment to be done, I was very interested in what the results would be. And after we took the test and went over it, I saw him standing behind me. And I turned around and he looked at me and said, "Miss Friedman, I got 100% of my test." And that moment for me was amazing because, like I said, this was a student that had little idea of what success meant. And I could tell that, you know, despite my own ego saying, yes, you know, I did this, it was even more powerful for him to find that success on his own. I truly was inspired by quantum learning because I see it as, I started a garden at my school. And I see it kind of being like this garden where if our students are these seeds, you know, we need not just water, but maybe the sun. And to have healthy plants, we have to find different ways to attend to them. So with our students, in order to reach their full and highest potential, we have to implement both our academic strategies, but also, like I see behind me, the keys for success. And sharing these keys with my students as well. For example, integrity, which was what I taught them first. I saw just a sense of responsibility and ownership in them, in their learning, when they understood if they value school, then how should their behavior look? And now they understand what the word integrity means. So it's very powerful, and I feel grateful, and I just want to also say that when teachers are inspired, our students are inspired as well. So I look forward to further professional developments with quantum learning. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.